So next up, guys, got a pretty special truck here. We've pictured and videoed a lot of cool things over the last few years, but boys, I'll be honest, if this thing doesn't get your pants fitting a little funny, you might need to have your head looked at. 2019 Peterbilt 389, loaded up with, I think, pretty well all the options. It's got it's right at 269,000 miles on it, right at 9,000 hours, and it's got the Paccar 510 horsepower diesel motor. Obviously, I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view, but aluminum rims, got dual exhaust, 36-inch flat top sleeper. It's got the green APU, auxiliary power unit, obviously with Kubota diesel motor, wet kit, 11R 24/5 rubber, air sliding fifth wheel, Eaton 18-speed manual transmission, obviously loaded up with lots of chrome. Really sharp looking truck. Inside's really clean. So I'm here with Mike. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts up there, guys. It does start up nice and smooth. Quite a few times today. Gotta let it roll out here, but really smooth, good looking truck. We've had a lot of trucks, and I kind of started the video by saying it, but a ton of trucks come through here. Picture and video, a lot of cool things, but this thing does look and drive like it's new. You're not going to really find a sharper looking truck. Obviously, you got the wet kit, you got the auxiliary power unit. It does have one bed in it. Nice little flat top sleeper. Long hood. Set up, ready to rock. So there's a video on the 2019 Peterbilt 389. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.